Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Trello to previous activity using audit logs, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore Trello to a previous activity using audit logs, begin by logging into your Trello account. Navigate to the board that you want to restore. On the right side of the board, locate and click on the Show Menu button. In the menu, select More to expand additional options. Look for the Activity section and click on Audit Log. The audit log will display a timeline of all activities performed on the board. Scroll through the log to find the specific actions you want to reverse. Take note of the date and time of the actions that need restoration. Identify the changes that require restoring, such as card movements or deletions. Next, go back to the board view and locate the cards or lists you want to revert. If a card has been deleted, check if it can be found in the Archived Items. Click on Show Menu again and browse to More, then select Archived Items. You will see a list of all archived cards. Find the one you need. Select the archived card and click Send to Board to restore it. For any changes made to lists, you'll need to manually recreate them based on the audit log details. To ensure accuracy, double-check the audit log against the current board structure. Once you have made all necessary adjustments, review the board for coherence. Confirm that all desired activities have been correctly restored. Your Trello board should now reflect the previous state as noted in the audit logs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.